Hey guys, it's Mary Beth with My Fearless Kitchen. Just hanging out here with the cows again today. I don't know about you, but between school and work and meetings and laundry, oh my word, the never-ending piles of laundry, I have been completely overwhelmed this week. So in today's newsletter, I've got 2 super simple feed a crowd recipes for you. These are wonderful, they're delicious, and they make plenty of leftovers. So you've got to check out these cheesy cornbread sloppy joes. Crowd pleaser, my husband loves them. He asks me to make them all the time. And we've got Crockpot chili, super simple. Throw it all in your Crockpot at the beginning of the day and dinner is ready, and you've got plenty for leftovers for lunch tomorrow too. And then because ground beef is such a staple in our house, I've also got some quick tips for you to safely thaw ground beef so you never have to worry about food safety in your kitchen. Thanks for joining us. Have a good rest of the week. I hope you can find a little bit of margin. I'm sure gonna try. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.